morning students, and the next topic is the continuation of reduction. Okay, it is a Roseman reduction. Okay, so we are using the hydrogen palladium in the presence of barium sulfate. Okay, so here the Roseman reduction, how it is prepared is, which means it is prepared by the acid chloride. Okay, acid chloride and acid anhydride. Okay, so here we are adding a hydrogen compound. Okay, hydrogen compound in the presence of palladium and barium sulfate. Okay, so here the acid chloride is converted into the aldehyde compound. Okay, is said to be the acid chloride is converted into the aldehyde in the presence of palladium and barium sulfate. Okay, here the acid anhydride. Okay, so here the acid anhydride converted into the hydrogen. Okay, here the one hydrogen will be added here in the presence of palladium and barium sulfate forms aldehyde group and one acid group. Okay, so here the reaction of the Roseman reaction. Okay, so here are other examples of quinoline acid chloride. Okay, it is a quinoline compound, the reaction with an acid. Okay, here the quinolines reacted with this compound. So palladium, it forms aldehyde. Okay, it contains quinoline, contains one aldehyde group and one removal of HCl. Here HCl will be removed. Here one addition of hydrogen. Okay, so it forms this acid form as a aldehyde. It is a main product is one aldehyde group is converted into the one acid chloride is converted into aldehyde group. Okay, it is a Roseman reaction. Okay, so it is used for the reducing property. Okay, reducing acid chloride containing one other reducing groups. Okay, it contains nitro or double bond. Okay, so it is a representation of this reaction. Here the another examples. Okay, here's a contain one nitro compound and one acid chloride. Okay, nitro compound of acid chloride and undergo hydrogen. Okay, undergo reduction. So this compound will be converted into aldehyde group and one HCl will be directly removed. Okay, so it is a reaction of Roseman reaction coming from the zinc mercury con HCl reaction. Okay, it is also reduction. It is a special type of reducing agent. Here the C double bond O group, which means ketone group in the aldehyde group. Aldehyde and ketones, it will be converted into CH2 group. Here one aldehyde group here, one ketone group here. It is converted into CH2 group. Okay, it is called the Clemmensen reductions. Clemmensen reduction. Here this reaction mainly carried out by the zinc mercury HCl. Okay, it is undergone hydration. Here the C double bond will be removed with H2O. Okay, so here directly attack on H2 group. So it is converted into CH3. Already H will be there and two hydrogen will be bonded here, so said to be CH3. Again here, see there. Here ketone group, it is undergoes addition, it is formed as RCH2. Okay, so H2 will be removed. So here the oxygen atom of the carbonyl group, one oxygen group in the carbonyl group replaced by this two hydrogen. Okay, it is a main process. Oxygen group replaced by the two hydrogen atoms. It is called as amalgamated zinc and con HCl. Okay, it is amalgam. Okay, zinc amalgam. Okay, so it is a Clemmensen reaction used in the refluxing carbonyl compound, which means the presence of excess con HCl will be removed. Okay, it is easily miscible, easily separatable. Okay, solvents are both miscible or sometimes it become immiscible in the aqueous solution. Aqueous means liquid solution. Okay, it is a reduction of zinc HCl. So see about the mechanism. It is a Clemmensen reduction mechanism. Okay, first it is carried out undergoes a gas chromatography. It is acetophenone. Okay, here the acetophenone compound. Here the C6H5 C double bond CH3. It is acetophenone compound undergo the hydration. Here only the double bond will be breakable. Okay, it becomes to the single bond because it contains two lone pair of electrons here. Okay, so it will be one addition of hydrogen. Here one addition of hydrogen. Okay, it is a alcohol. Here the acetophenone group is converted into alcohol. Okay, again HCl reactions, it becomes converted into here. OH will be removed. Okay, it becomes converted to HCl. Okay, so H2O will be removed. One Cl minus will be directly attacked in this reaction. Okay, again hydration, it become Cl will be removed. Okay, HCl will be removed and CH will be attacked in this reaction. Okay, it is the mechanism of zinc amalgam con HCl. Okay, so it is reactions coming on from this applications. There are several applications. First, see the reaction of cyclohexanone. Here the application of cyclohexanone. Okay, so cyclohexanone is converted into the double bond O group is reduced. It becomes cyclohexane. Okay, the sixth carbon will be, it is ketone will be removed and it become converted into cyclohexanone. It is good method of synthesis of cycloalkanes. In the cycloalkanes, it contains one aldehyde group. If the aldehyde group is reduced into CH2 group, it is said to be N-heptane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6. Okay, one CH group will be reduced by the aldehyde group. Here are they same 7 compound and it converted into N-heptane. Okay, so it is again here the ketone group will be removed. Here attacked as the CH2 group. So okay, it is a ethyl benzene. Okay, only the C double bond O group is replaced. Again here attacked in the CH2 group. Okay, it is a reaction synthesis of cycloalkanes. Okay. It is an important reaction. It is a synthesis of polynuclear hydrocarbons. Poly means chain molecules. Okay, so it contains one benzene ring, Clemmensen reduction. So to be already see with the Clemmensen reduction. It contains one acidic anhydride. It is undergoes the reduction AlCl3. It becomes the C double bond O groups. It is directly converted into acid group. Okay, it is acidic anhydride directly converted into acid. Okay, so here C double bond O, CH2, CH2. Here one OH group will be added in this reaction. Okay, again reduction H plus. Again reduction becomes in amalgam, it converted into acid. Okay, so it becomes it is converted into benzene ring. Here COH will be added. Here CH2 will be removed. It become act as a benzene. Okay, here the benzene ring and COH will be formed. Okay, again we are adding sulfuric acid. So we are adding sulfuric acid. The C double bond O group OH will be removed. It is converted into H2O. Again it is converted into double bond O. Okay, we are adding sulfuric acid. The OH2O will be removed in this reaction and it is converted into ketone. Okay, quinoline. Again amalgam added. Here it becomes the double bond O group will be removed. Okay, zinc HCl will be formed and amalgam will be formed. Double bond O will be removed. It's said to be tetraline. Okay, again we add a sulfur. Okay, sulfur and selenium. Okay, so here the ring formation will be occur in this reaction. It becomes cyclic formation. Okay, here one bond breakable. Here it becomes converted into cyclic formation. Okay, is said to be naphthalene compound. Here the naphthalene. Okay, so it is the Clemmensen reduction reactions. Okay, there will be several drawbacks here. For example, ethylene double bond carrying along with the here the double bond carrying along with the carbonyl group. Sometimes it contains one C double bond O group. Okay, it is becomes very sensitive. Okay, coming up from the silver dioxide. Okay, it is an important reagent organic chemistry. Wherever we using the Ag2O, it is a hydroxylating agent because it contains one removal of hydroxylating. Hydroxy means OH group. Okay, removed in this reaction. Okay, so first we see about the oxidation of aldehyde. Here the oxidation of aldehyde is converted into carboxylic acid. See here the aldehyde group and Ag2O silver oxide. Here the aldehyde group is converted into COH. H will be precipitated. Okay, it is a main reaction. It is a common oxidation reaction. Okay, so this will be the specific oxidizing agent and does not readily attack with any other groups. Okay, so here coming to glucose. Glucose undergoes Ag2O. It forms acid. Okay, the CH4 will be converted into acid. It is said to be glucoric acid. Okay, so 2H will be precipitated. Okay, again Arnott Einstein reaction. Okay, it is discovered by Arnott Einstein. Okay, acid chloride is converted into carboxylic acid. Here the acid chloride. Okay, it is contained on the amine groups. Amide. Okay, it is converted into amine. Okay, carboxylic acid, additional carbon atoms, it is converted into acid. Okay, so here the Cl will be removed. The Cl will be removed. Here the HCl will be removed in this reaction. It is formed as an amine. Okay, so it undergoes hydrolysis. It forms acid and N2 will be replaced in this reaction. Okay, next will be come out from the hydrozones. Hydrozone means N bond NH2. It is said to be hydrozone. Okay, it is undergoes oxidation. So here undergoes oxidation. The H2 will be removed. Okay, the H2 will be removed. Here here H2 will be removed. It becomes act as a single bond will be act as a double bond. Okay, because it contains N plus, here contains N minus. Okay, because it contains 2 lone pair of electrons here. Okay, so it's said to be double bond. Okay, it is an oxidation compound. It is said to be diazo compounds which contains one positive and negative or dipolar compound. Okay, it is a simple reaction of hydrozones. Next will be oxidation of aryl methanes. Here aryl methanes. Okay, it contains one aryl group. Here this is said to be aryl group. Okay, it contains one methane group. Undergo oxidation said to be converted into aldehyde. Okay. Next will be quaternary ammonium salt. It is the quaternary ammonium salt R4, which contains 4 groups, quaternary and ammonium N4 plus minus. Okay, and reacted with silver oxide. Here the quaternary ammonium, it is Ag only removed in this reaction. Okay, the AgI will be precipitated in this reaction. Here on R4 will be formed as a compound. Okay, it is a compound, and OH minus will be in this compound. Okay, in this inorganic compound, and AgI will be precipitated. Okay, it is a quaternary ammonium salt. Again, reaction with the chlorosuccinic acid. Okay, here the chlorosuccinic acid is hydrolysis by Ag2O to give the plus malic acid. Okay, it is a chlorosuccinic acid. It is reacted with to form malic acid. So it is these are the reactions important oxidizing agent, and it is mainly used in the exhaustive methylation.